What's up, my grubs? Today I have something different going on from the typical gaming. Here, I've got the rig I use to make all my videos. I game, work, and edit on this computer. But as of recently, I acquired an ATX board and a thirst for RGB. So, I got myself a new case, the Vetru AL800 full tower, a massive case with dual airflow channels, with enough spots to install 10 case fans, and with my Coolmaster Hyper 212 black air cooler, I can install an additional 2 fans. The fans I'm installing are just your average RGB Thermalright fans, but will keep things cool and flashy. Before I can begin the case swap, I have to disassemble the entire computer and install the components into the new case. Here, we have my Asus TUF Gaming RTX 3060. It's a really good GPU that, paired with a nice CPU, can run most games on high or even max settings. Running games like Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing on, I get around 60 FPS. As I get to take the rest of these components out, like the DDR4 RAM, the air cooler, we get to the CPU, the i5-11400. Now, for a budget build, this processor is king, but still, performs quite well under this sort of load. It pairs quite nicely with the 3060. Then, I get to yanking out this MOBO, the B560M Arduous Pro 8X M-ATX, and then the power supply, EVGA 500 watt bronze PSU. The last part to go are my storage devices, my 2.5mm SSD, and my 4TB Toshiba HDD. With everything disassembled, I start working on getting this new motherboard all prepped and ready to install inside of the brand new case. I start with the air cooler and CPU, then I take my M.2 SSD with the Windows operating system and install that into an open PCI Express slot on the board, take one stick of RAM to do a post-test. My camera died here, to verify that the board I bought still works. Motherboard just turned on. Since my camera died, I didn't get to capture the building process, so unfortunate. I installed everything before I realized the camera wasn't rolling. Here's what the build ended up looking like. Yeah, the fans are facing the wrong way. But I corrected this issue, but only came to realize the issue was fixed when I posted it on my Instagram. And these folks in my comments who probably came from the PCMR community pointed it out. That was really helpful of them. Now that all the fans are facing the right way, here is the final presentation. Okay, now let's load up some Cyberpunk 2077 to show you that I wasn't lying when I said this can run 60 FPS with ray tracing on. I hope you enjoyed this video. More gaming and PC building coming soon.